It starts with us. And in honesty, we are held to a higher standard. We're held to a higher account. Because as leaders, we're supposed to set the example. Do you know that there are some churches? I'm just going to be plain. Is it all right if I'm plain? All right. My brother, Dr. Everett Kelly, is sitting right over here. Y'all probably enjoyed him playing the guitar tonight. He is the Holy Ghost B.B. King. He gets sounds out of the guitar that most people don't. He's playing it upside down and backwards. And he's anointed. But you know, I go and preach for him. I'm going to be plain. Y'all, I'm going to just tell you straight. And I will go to his church and nobody will show up because I'm white. What's this white boy going to say? He ain't got nothing. He ain't going to tell me anything. But yet if he has a African American or a black speaker come in, it'll pack the house out. Why is that? Because we haven't learned how to honor one another. And we haven't learned how to receive from one another. Because all we see is the little boxes that we live in. I am tired of seeing flyers on Facebook. And you look at all the speakers and they all look the same. There is no diversity anywhere. But everybody has the same pigment of skin, or everybody is the same gender. So this is a women's meeting, so only ladies can come. So only ladies speakers. Do you know, I've had some of my best meetings when they've been bold enough to invite a crazy snakeskin boot-wearing guy to come preach at a women's meeting. I've had some of my best meetings in that kind of a setting. Because what's for the body is for the body. It's a gift to the body. Every leader is a gift to the body. They are not a gift to a subsection or a specific people group. They are a gift to the body. And so we've got to change the way that we think. When's the last time that you saw somebody invite somebody to a service where they didn't look like the host? It doesn't happen very frequently because we bring people that have the same gifting, that have the same makeup, and look like us so that they get the same thing that we give, rather than bringing in somebody else that can equip them with something that you don't carry. One of the craziest things I've seen is that pastors bring other pastors in and they swap pulpits and they do a home and home series. Well, I will come preach for you and then you will come and preach for me. And all you're doing is feeding your people out of the same gifting and the same grace that you walk in. But you don't bring in a prophet that's going to mess you up and tell you the truth. You won't bring in an apostle that wants to set things in order that are out of order. You don't want to bring alignment. You just want to keep the same old, same old. So you ignore other gifts and graces. It's time we change that. It's time we and if we don't do it, who will? If not us, then who? And if not now, then when? One of the amazing